One string. Okay, you ready? You want him to come under your brain? Oh, it crashed.
Yeah, hard too.
Yeah. It crashed. Whoa. Oh. It crashed 2 times. Oh, you're going to do like that now? Go. Oh, man.
That's a long way.
Look, tell Papa and Daddy what's outside. What's out there?
Egg. Hey, Lou. Maybe you should go run around the backyard for a minute.
Let me put on my cookie too.